Hint, he introduced free healthcare for children in Western region.
I don't know.
He is on the 100 naira note.
He's the
RMD.
Sexiest sugar daddy in Nigeria. Hey guys, welcome back to Tri's channel. It's Patricia Ibe here. What's your intro like?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I have with me
Todaywithnancy.
We came to have lunch because we've been out all day. She carried me to go and do her locks.
Yes guys, check out my channel. You see how I did my vlogs.
I'm not hear word again in this Abuja. Anyways, while we are waiting for our food to get here, I have this card game. It's called How Nigerian Are You? Anyways, so it's a card game. Like I said, it has cards inside, and you also have a timer. This is a timer, which
oh my god,
I don't think we'll be using. So here are the cards. There is the yellow cards and the gray cards. So she'll pick her own cards. She'll ask me questions. I'll try to answer them. I'll try my best to see how Nigerian I am. I mean, if you ask me, I'm like 100% Nigerian. You know what I'm saying? But today we're going to find out. Nancy, pick your own card. Wait, let me mix the card together and show you because I don't trust this game.
Well, the one that got the cards, why don't you trust? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't understand.
Let me shuffle this card. Whether I have gone to cram or mix it.
The yellow. Okay,
no, it's the same thing. Yeah.
Anyway, guys, disclaimer: I'm not really like full Nigerian, so you guys should not expect me to get most of these things correctly because I'm like half Nigerian. I didn't really grow up here in Nigeria. So pardon me if I make some mistakes or if I don't know much things about her country. Thank you very much.
Hey. Oh my god, it's my country. Okay, take your own.
I'll just take few, right?
Yeah, just few.
Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll be asking her 10 questions.
So let me pick my 1.
Don't see this question. Make sure you get anything.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why are you wishing me bad luck? We've never started this game. We've not started, and you don't even have faith in me. I have my own cards here. So who is going to start first?
Me.
Why you? It's my channel.
So your guest should start first.
There was no time they said guest first. It's
we just did
female first.
So guys, and I'm female here. So guys, anyways, I'll be starting first with my guy.
Remove his glasses back. I need to slap him.
His portrait, that the person's portrait, is on the 1 naira coin. Many see him as the father of Nigerian nationalism.
How about Macaulay?
Oh my god!
I'm smart, you know. I'm smart.
Sometimes. Next.
Wow.
I won't be asking you back now.
Okay. It's my turn, right?
Yep.
Gusau is the capital of this state.
Hint. There's the hint on this card, guys. So I'll use my hints, please.
It is in northern West Nigeria.
North, then West. Me, I don't know. You guys, I'm not used to these geographical things. It can't be Kano. I don't understand what is Gusau and Gusau. Okay, let me. We have three guesses.
States and capital.
Gusau, say Gusau. Abi?
G-U-S-A-U. Gusau?
I don't know.
That's state and capital.
I know that's capital, but I don't know what is Gusau in it. What concerns Gusau? Gombe. It's not Gombe. What was the answer?
Zamfara.
So how am I supposed to know it's Zamfara?
What is the capital of Zamfara?
Zamfara is what? It's not this Gusau. It's not this Gusau.
Oh no.
Zamfara is not Gusau. Oh my god.
Gusau.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
So they've changed that system and capital. Is that what you're saying?
He who was the first to move for Nigerian's independence and is referred to as father of Nigerian states. Oh my gosh, I give you hints. No, you will get it. I can't believe this. No, I won't give you hints.
Why won't you give me hints?
Okay, let me give you. No, the hint I want to give is the hint that will make you get it. He was a prominent anti-colonial. Sorry, guys. He was a prominent. Don't look. Trish, stand up. Let me pick my card.
Why are you like this?
He was a prominent anti-colonial and pro-democracy activist. She failed it.
I've not answered.
You're wasting our time. Even this thing has finished.
It's a lie. You didn't set it.
Okay, I've done that.
And your question is scattered. You didn't ask it properly.
Just they don't know it now. Let's not waste our time.
Ask it again.
He was the first to move for Nigerians' independence and is referred to as father of Nigerian state. Nope. Final chance. I will not give you the hint. I'll make you get it. What's the name of the dress where we are now? Jesus, you don't know. Yes, it's the
there
one.
Was no way.
For some reason, like I'm like, oh my god, it's him.
There was no way.
You'd have guessed.
There was no. My mind was not.
I just knew that if I said the address of where we are, because the one that chose the location, I know you would have guessed right. Sorry, ma'am.
Anyways,
yes, Guso is capital of Zamfara.
Nigeria, look at your graduates.
Zamfara, Guso. Are you serious?
He started Ovation International, one of Africa's most popular magazines, in 1996.
Thanks.
He's a journalist, businessman, and a philanthropist.
The first is this guy. Billy. No. That one that did interview for Erica when she came out of the Nigeria.
I don't know.
Dele Mojo. Dele Mudo. When they did this BB Nigeria stuff, he had interview with Erica and stuff.
What is his name?
Dele Mojo. I'll go with that.
Half mark. You got Dele Momodu.
Momodu, this I got it.
You got what?
I got it.
That's my question.
Dele Momodu. She was a women's rights activist and one of the delegates that negotiated Nigerians' independence.
Fela's mom?
What's her name? Was it Fela's mom? What's Fela's mom? She's the first woman to drive a car in Nigeria.
Fela's mom.
What is Fela? Who is Fela? No surname, no name, nothing.
Kuti, Mrs. Kuti.
Olufumilayo, Ransom, Kuti, half mark. Ask her. It's half mark now. You didn't even get it correctly. You just said Mrs. Kuti. Fela's wife is also Mrs. Right?
No problem. This city is the capital of Ondo.
Ondo Akure now. It's not Ondo Akure.
You can pay them now. Thank you.
At least I know this one.
You don't know anything. Olodo.
Oh my god.
I brought you here. You should be thankful to me.
I thought I said I wanted plantain.
You
I'll get from your own. So guys, see how they just arrange these eggs on top of this cucumber. I think it's so cute. So this is my full stir fry noodles.
Mine. Let me show you guys properly. Just
I have some things here, guys. Some of these meat and for plantain is mine.
Which meat? Which meat? Which of the meat? Is nice. No respect. Yeah, just.
Thank you very much.
Actually, the meat is a lot.
You don't egg?
No.
You don't like egg?
No, I don't want to eat egg. The plantain is 3-3 for each person.
No, it's okay.
No. It's too much.
Who am I to say no?
Oh, this is dope. I like the range. You like the camera range?
It's good then.
Enjoyment is my calling in life.
He likes food.
Mama, ask me now. You want to ask me a question.
He was the first military ruler in Africa to hand over power to a civilian government.
Olusegun Obasanjo.
Ooh, she got it, guys. But ask me.
Anyways, my question is, sing the first couple of lines of the first verse of this song? Connect.
Oh my god. Connect by Fino.
The hint, it's a hit song by Fino. Chibuzo Azubike.
I know it's Fino's song already.
Connect.
That's the first word, not line, word.
Are you singing it or not?
The first word now.
It's all my money.
Wait. It's all my money, we take connect. Collapse.
You're failing woefully.
It's all my money, we take collapse.
It's all my money, we take collapse. Continue.
Hey man, I don't know, but I know it's alert, I ended it.
Do not even let
We might connect.
There's a go.
I'll never forget.
Then say,
I no go no far. As I'm the local.
as in the boy you look out.
My voice is the worst voice to sing with. Thank you very much.
Same as mine. How many questions have we asked now?
Why didn't I pick interesting stuff for you? I'm so sorry, my love.
It's okay. I didn't know the cards are gonna be interesting too. I have 2 more cards left. Ask now.
I'm not your friend, but when I'm going, you always clap for me. What am I?
Mosquito. Is that mosquito? Mosquito.
It's not mosquito now.
It has to be mosquito.
It's not mosquito.
I don't understand. It's mosquito in my head. It's a lie. You're lying.
Final answer.
Mosquito.
Final answer. Say yes or no.
That is mosquito. You're lying.
The answer is mosquito.
I know you were lying. This Afrobeat musician, singer and songwriter wears this is too easy.
Please ask. Here's what?
A mask as an icon of man's facelessness. If you fail it, you do frog jump.
Where's
Who
the
wears
mask?
face masks in Nigerian music, Afrobeat music?
Afrobeat.
Hey,
Is it Kuti?
you and which? Which Kuti?
Where's the mask? Afrobeat.
Hint. His stage name means nobody in particular. Who wears a face mask in Afro music? A Nigerian person.
Wait.
Oh my God. Time up.
I know. It's a Yoruba guy.
Nobody actually tried. Just say the name.
It's Yoruba.
What is his name?
Wait. It means nobody.
In particular.
Give me another hint now.
So
I know I failed. But give me another.
There is no other hint. Lagbaja.
Hey, I was thinking, oh God. I know it's Labacha. I was thinking of the name. Seriously, I know.
Ask me your question, Olodo.
Out of Bounds was the first writer, producer credits for this actor and former Delta State Commissioner.
Out of what?
Bounds.
That means it's a novel. What's
Out
the
of
hint?
Bounds.
Give me hint.
In 2005, he won the African Movie Academy Award for the best actor in the leading role. I have another hint I will give you, but I don't want to give it to you.
Give me now, my love. My darling. My baby.
Final
My
answer.
baby.
Final answer.
Give me hints now. Why are you stingy with hints? Is it not me that gave you the first line in give me another hint.
He's the
RMD.
sexiest sugar daddy in
RMD.
Nigeria.
He was the first premier of the Western region and founded the first television service in Africa.
I don't know.
1959.
I don't know.
Hint, he introduced free health care for children in the Western region.
I don't know.
He is on the 100 naira note. Who is on 100 naira note? You don't know. Is it Obafemi Awolowo? After I'm giving you all the expo in the world. Anyways, guys, that's the end of our game. How Nigerian are you cards? Hope to see you guys in our next video.
Before she ends, I think I know Nigerian better than she does. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's know how many you were able to guess as well.
There is no doubt I won this game.
Bye, guys.
No problem. No problem.
Shawty out nice, so make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.